Hello, Daniel here, and I'm back with another Bukkit tutorial. And in this episode, we'll be going over events, such as those events that fire when a player right-clicks something, when a player moves, when a player gets killed, and we'll be focusing on right-clicking and using right-clicking to interact with signs, such as what other plugins do, like Sign Shop and Sign Portals, and whichever plugin you've seen that, like, you click a sign and it does something, and this is what we'll be trying to do in this episode. That was one messed up explanation. So, first, what you need to do is register events to allow your plugin to listen for events. So, you have to type in Bukkit on enable method dot get server dot get plugin manager dot register events this. And register events will be underlined red, and all you have to do is click let YouTube implement a listener. So now you're ready to listen for stuff. In order to listen for an event, you need to type in @event handler, and it's going to be highlighted red, don't worry about it yet. And then the next line, public void on, well, in our case it'll be player right click event, or player interact event, so on player interact event E. So this will be highlighted red, and we're going to import it, and event handler will be highlighted red, so we import that as well. Alright, now we need to check if the player right clicks something, and in our case right click the block, so if e dot get action dot equals action dot right click block. So get action returns the action that has been used by the player, and we're comparing it to action dot right click block, and if they are the same, then if e dot get click block if is dot material get type is equal to type in, no, I don't think that's it, material dot wall sign, or if it's equal to dot sign post. So if it's a wall sign or a sign post, then block sign equals sign is equal to sign, which means we're converting e dot get click block. So we're going to import sign and org.bukkit.block. Alright, so now what we can do is sign dot get get line, and wait, hold on, dot get line is a string. It's gonna turn us a string. For example, if we do get line 0, it will return us whichever is written on the very first line of the sign. So string first line is equal to sign dot get line 0. And as we know that signs have 4 lines, so we must not exceed 3 in the get line, because otherwise that'll cause a crash. We don't want crashes. So now let's see if on the sign it's written if first line dot equals YouTube. So if the first line is YouTube, then it's a sign that uses YouTube. that is used by the YouTube plugin. So if for oh well, now we need a second line as well. So string second line is equal to sign. Oh my gosh, I can't type. Sign dot get line 1. So now if second line dot equals, let's see, let's just say heal, and let's just say equals ignore case, equals ignore case. There we go. If the second line is equal to heal, then we're going to heal whoever right-clicked it. So e.get player dot perform command / heal. Or we could just that's not even necessary. E.get player dot set health 20. So that should be it. So we don't need to add anything to the plugin YML. We can just export it. Let's do that, and let's see if it works. Let me put my server back up then. Put Minecraft back up as well. This nice little HD block down here. Beautiful. Well, there isn't a crash, so that's good. It's always good. We've got that going for us, which is nice. Let's go and see if that actually works. Let's just give us a sign. Alright. I don't know why it keeps happening. I just don't know. Let's try that again. That's definitely not the plugin's fault, I assure you. Let's see. Sign. Let's get ourselves a sign. And let's place it on the wall. YouTube heal. Alright, well, something happened. Alright, so we're clearly doing something wrong over here. This is my first time trying this, so I'm not even sure if I'm doing it exactly right. Can we please quit? If you quit when I don't want to, and you don't want to quit when I tell you to. It's a really naughty game. Just quit already. Tell me what's happening. Well then. Die. Oh look. Lip Twitch SDK. Oh, well that's clearly something, definitely something not related to twitch.tv. Alright, well. Cannot be cast. So I think I know what this is. Let's see. Sign. Block.sign. Get click block. Let's see. Block equals a.get clicked block. Well, let's import block. So org.bukkit.block. So why can't we sign is equal to block dot no is equal to sign block. That should work. I don't know why it shouldn't. There, sign is org.bukkit.block.sign, and block is org.bukkit.block.block. So it should really work. Oh, wrong button. You can go. Let's do that. Let's reload the server. Let's go back onto it. And the reason I quit Minecraft is because it consumes quite a lot of CPU, as you can see over here. We don't really want that. Java loves CPU. Alright, let's try that one more time. Ah, it's the same crash. Cannot be cancelled. Well, that's interesting. We've probably done... Why? Class octa-bucket.craft bucket. Why is that? Why is that there? That's not right. This is the wrong sign then. Sign.getLine. Sign. Bucket. Interesting. I'll be back in a moment. Alright, so let's just say what might be causing the issue is that we're transforming sign into block instead of block.getState into sign. Let's export that and see if that fixes it. I have no idea. Well, let's reload the server. Let's put Minecraft back up. This time I didn't close it. Let's see. Well, we're not getting a crash, so that's nice. Let's... My goodness! It's getting really annoying already. It's not like I'm streaming or anything, am I? No. That's exactly not what I want to do. Alright, let's not crash until I fix this. Oh my god, I want... There. Now let's... Yeah, work. Let's teleport 20 blocks above where we are right now. Sometimes Bukkit is just stupid. There. Damage. Yeah, there we go. We got healed. So don't forget that get block state. Yeah. Well, this is how it's done. And let me just see if I get killed if I get healed if I just punch it. No, only right clicking. Okay, that's good. Well, yes, this is how it's done. And no, I don't care. Yes. I'll see you in the next episode.